So you want to work in cybersecurity, but you are overwhelming with all the options and don't know where to start. I get it. Dance history is a massive and constantly changing. But here is the good news. I'm going to break down the three-man path you can take, what they pay, and which one may be the best or the perfect for you. Let's start. Choosing your cybersecurity path in 2026. The first thing is to do the figure out your path. The cybersecurity industry is very fast and constantly changing every year, every 2 years, every 5 years. So there is no way to possibly learn everything. Below, we will lay the three of the most common track. If you aren't sure what to pursue or what you need to learn, I recommend you to try out some free, low cost or free in YouTube training material to see which topic and which part is interesting for you. So the first is the defensive security, blue TM. The blue TM focus on defending system against cyber threat and over many inter-level opportunity. In cybersecurity, common role include SOC analysis, security engineering, threat hunters, diff analysts, and professionals often start in defensive role and let move in advanced position. So security, what is a security operations center? Security operations center is a TM in cybersecurity professional responsible for monitoring network and system to detect and respond to security threat. Their focus includes identifying vulnerability, detecting policy violation, and preventing unauthorized access, and stop network intrusion. That is the SOC, or we can say operator center, security operator center. So, threat intelligence, we are still in the blue TM. In cybersecurity, intelligence refers to information collected about the real or potential threat. Threat intelligence helps organizations understand who their adversaries are and how they may be attacked, allow them to prepare their defenses. So, digital forensics and accident response, DFER, digital forensics and accident response focus on investigation cybersecurity. The most people use is a government or police or gendarme like that. They make an investigation. Security engineer. Security engineer design, implementing, and maintaining security solution. Now we are in the offensive side. Origin. Origin focus ethical hacking. You make legally, and you can make ethical hacking and penetration testing or offensive security engineering. If we check what is a penetration tester, penetration tester or ethical hacker perform authorized simulate cyber attack to find and exploit security weakness in system, network, or application, helping organizations fix vulnerability before malicious hacker do. They use real attack tool and methodology. Ethical hacker. Ethical hacker or white hacker, we can both say, or we can call white hacker, is a cybersecurity expert who use the same tool and tactic as malicious hacker do, like black hat, but with permission. In this time, at this moment, they do with permission, but black hat don't take permission. Real TM operator conduct full scope attack simulation that mimic advanced persistent threat. Okay, the more and more offensive security. You can do cloud security penetration testing, exploiting developer mobile application pen testing, network penetration testing, social engineering, and web penetration test. Now is the last one, GRC, governance, risk, and compliance, is an integrated framework helping business align objectives and manage potential threat and flow rules, cloud regulation, and policy. For ethical hack and evacuation operation often support PGRC software. It unifies and compare make decisions. Okay, some common GRC rules. You can be GRC analyst or compliance analyst or information security auditor or GRC manager. What is the difference between college degree and certificate? Certificate you can get fast and experience faster, but in degree over foundational knowledge and better long-term growing leadership role, that is the difference. So how to find cybersecurity job? To find a cybersecurity job, leverage online for like LinkedIn, Indeed, Nice, those sites. Network actively in community like Discord, make a network connection. That's very, very important. The more you have network is the more you have opportunity. Build a strong portfolio certification, computer security plus like this, and project tailor your resume with keyword and consider interview point like help desk role with targeting specific domain, SOC or GRC. Okay, in-person event. In-person event is a one the cybersecurity job is an event focused major on district conference like too much conference in your country maybe. Go there locally, ask and they hire event. Conclusion. Landing your first job in cybersecurity is one of the toughest part in the journey. Don't neglect your mental health along the way. There will be a rejection and rejection and rejection. So never give up. They are not a reflection of all the work you have put. The job market is very competitive and it will take time to learn that initial role. Keep your head up, keep trying, and eventually you will win. Good luck.